Yeah. Yeah. Some pretty meaty baby backs here, baby. You know what we gonna do with them? We gonna jerk them. Because I had a taste for some jerk baby back ribs. Just like they do in Hyde Park in Chicago at Jaw Grill. That's the first time I had them like that. I was like, man, these baby back ribs are fire. So you know what? I'm gonna recreate it in my own backyard and make them fire. So all right, let's go ahead and get these baby backs trimmed up. Let me see. We're gonna take the membrane off. I think we can. All right. Oh, we got a nice little grip on them. Nice little grip. As my mother-in-law say, take it slow. All right. We're going to trim it up. So I'm going to take it off. I think I'm going to go ahead and take it off right here. Nice and smooth like that. So let's get these trimmed up a little bit. Like that. Got this hanging off. Alright, what else we got? Oh, can't cook you. Some membrane that tried to stick around. There's a thick piece there. Take that off so that meat don't burn. Alright, let's just get that part off. Just getting the edges a little bit. No competition ribs, but you know, wanted to look cool. It's our own ribs, we eating them. We want to be able to brag to our friends and be like, see man, I ain't got to go to the restaurant. See how my stuff looking. All right, got my marinade bag. Put olive oil in here. About a tablespoon and a half. Like that. Put it in the squeezer. Bam. I ain't got too much jerk sauce left. We're gonna roll with the Walkerswood traditional jerk marinade. Mild. All right. Don't need too much, really. Let's see. Look like all together, this is gonna turn out to be about a tablespoon. We fishing out all last down to the drop. All right, it's gone. Now, see that? It's gone. Look like we got our money's worth, right? As they say, a pinch. So it's a half a teaspoon of Lawry's. So literally just a pinch. to help complement the flavor of the marinade. Oh. All right, get the air out. That flavor gonna be all over, bone side and meat side. Overnight in the fridge she goes. Get some more air out. All right, we're gonna get up tomorrow, get on outside, enjoy this weekend, and I'm gonna have to need some jerk baby back ribs for lunch. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all outside tomorrow, outside in the backyard. Real pretty hot. Got it rolling at about 275 today. All right, should we go? Let's go meat side down first. We want these real meaty, so I'm gonna bunch them up like that. Yeah. Well, extra marinade on there. I got my meter 2 probe up in here too. So yeah, make sure they bunched up. How you put them on there is how they cook. Alright, we about to rock out with this, y'all. But my ribs coming the way I like it. See how I took that little part off that quick. Yeah. That's looking real jerky there, baby. Alright, so it's been about an hour, 15 minutes. First flip. Probably just gonna do it like that. I may do another flip at the end. It's gonna be coming off and I'm gonna be eating my lunch. Alright, hour 45 minutes. Give it a little spritz. Looking quite good, I'll tell you that. I'm just gonna flip it for a hot second. Ooh, you like that, don't you? You don't even like spicy food, but you see that, you like,
Yeah, give it to me.
Give it to me now. Hey. Check this out, y'all. 2.5 hours on the button. Whoa!
Oh, Nelly.
197 degrees. No wrap. How about that? It's like a steady shot. 275. We didn't wrap. Oh man, it was a simply delightful cook, especially being that it's hot outside again. What's up with that?
That smells good.
See, these baby backs, they be curving. See, you know, you gotta get on the angle. See how I'm getting on my angle? I ain't gonna do you like that, babe. You know, you want a bone or two.
No, it's okay.
You know what I'm saying? I look out for you.
You already put something to the side for me and I already ate, so I'm good.
Yeah. Let's lay these out. I'm doing catering, you know. That's how we gotta have them laid out like this. Some people be like, yes, can I grab a rib bone, please? Oh, look at that smoke ring. Oh, it's still nice and juicy. Didn't have to wrap it. Whoa. Mm-hmm. It's perfection there, baby. See that bite? See that bite, baby? I forgot that baby backs can be that deal. Mm-hmm. Oh man, these are really good. No sauce, baby. No sauce. But check this out. Y'all saw how it was done. 2.5 hours, 275 degrees, open fire, just letting it roll. We did a flip or two. That's it. We sprayed, we spritzed. We had the lime juice, the W sauce, apple juice, water up in the bottle. That's it. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I love y'all. Appreciate you as always. We gonna get back. We gonna keep on going. We ain't through with the summer yet. And even if when it get cold, we still gonna be outside. Peace.